Hello, good morning, good morning.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
नमस्ते, केम छो, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग?
Can you hear me?
Very
Good
good.
morning, sir.
Very good morning, बच्चा. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome to the new show. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? How are you feeling today?
Tiwari sir, can you hear me?
Yes. Good morning, madam. केम छो?
Good morning, sir. Good morning. I have to address for a minute. I just want to interact with you and with all other students also equally.
Okay.
For a minute.
Okay. Sure. Take your time.
Okay. So, this is my address to Tiwari sir, Principal of Primary Section, Pinakshi madam, teacher from Secondary Section, Ravindra sir, teacher from Primary Section, Jay sir, and all my dear students. Good morning to one and all. As such, you are quite familiar related to Atal Lab. Nothing to say about it. This Atal Lab is giving the shape to your innovative ideas, and it is helping out whatever energy you have stored in. That energy has to be given complete, molded in a constructive form. So looking into that, right now we are supposed to provide you the tools and the equipments, everything, and the innovative thoughts should have to be turned into good projects. But right now it is not possible as such because of COVID-19. And looking into that, today we are going to have some of the discussions related to how exactly you can utilize your Atal Labs innovative ideas which are there in your mind without having any of the equipment with you. So today even this Tiwari sir and Jay sir, they are going to have an interaction with you children, and accordingly you just be benefited, grab the opportunity, and in case if you come across with any of the point which is to be discussed, query, lastly you will be given time, and you just listen everything carefully and keep on tinkering on and do your best related to your innovative ideas and give them a good shape. Thank you and have a good time and take care. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, madam. Thank you to Pinakshi madam. Thank you to Jayesh sir. Thank you to Neeta madam and all the Hiramani school management. Bacha log, this is all is getting possible because of your school, vision. They have a great vision for you kids. And that's why they have invested a lot of money, lot of time and lot of energy to build the great Atal Tinkering Lab. But unfortunately or fortunately, you are not able to touch and see the lab, the equipments. But anyways, today we are going to talk about that how you can utilize that skills to build it from your remote location, from your home location. Okay. So for that, we have a very special session. And this session is very short, very crispy. And for the session, I have requested Jayesh sir to make a very interactive presentation. Okay. So to all the kids, my suggestion is that just you need to focus. I want to tell you there are three key areas for learning, three points for learning anything. Not for the Atal Tinkering Lab, not for the physics, not for the mathematics, for anything, you need 3 points to learn. You know what are those? Number one is focus. Okay, if you focus on anything, you can grab it, you can observe it, you can consume that. And second point is focus. And third point is focus. When you focus on anything, you really see that thing, what is behind that. So my idea is that you have to just grab the things in a very detailed way. Now I am requesting Jayesh sir to start it, and then there would be a small session where we will be interacting, taking your questions. So if you have come across any kind of a question, just note it down and then we will talk about it. Okay, so over to Jayesh sir for a great presentation.
Good morning, Tiwari sir, Nita ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, and Ketan sir, and all the my dear. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you are well and able to study properly. Now it is very difficult to provide practical session of Atal Tinkering Lab due to this pandemic. So we are arranging this session for you. Now I am sharing my screen, so you can practice this at your home also. यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी अच्छी चीज है कि यहाँ पे कोई इक्विपमेंट बिगड़ने वाला नहीं, आप घर पे कुछ भी कर सकते हो। अगर कनेक्शन गलत है तो वो सर्किट वर्क नहीं करेगा, तो आपको उसके अंदर कुछ चेंज करना है ताकि सर्किट वर्क हो जाए। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हेलो, now open this Internet Explorer and Tinkercad website. Tinkercad.com. So this web page is free. Okay.
सर इको जा रहा है
Now join now. Click on join now. Enter your all the details. I have an account, so I'm going over here. Just a minute. Huh? I'm entering my details.
इको मैं एक बोलूँगा सर रिपीट करना एक बार, अगर इनके कौन से स्टेप करना है वो वंस यू रिपीट इट।
Yes, sir. Now, so this is my account. Here, Jayesh Patel is written over here. Okay. Now we have to prepare some circuit. Okay. So now go to the circuit which is below the 3D design. Now click on circuit. So here we can create many circuits. Now click on create new circuit. Our net connection is slow, so it takes some time to open. Children, please remember this is a very good site. Please remember the name of the website. It's www.tinkercad.com. Tinkercad.com. So this is the main page. Here we create new circuits. So it is on right hand side. You see the component basic is given, and below that component is also given with the pictures. Okay, so you can use any of the components to match.
Jay sir, your voice is not at all clear. Please listen to me. Excuse me. Your voice is not clear. Not audible at all. Children, they are sending messages. Please you repeat the things again.
Hello. Now voice is clear?
Yeah.
Hello.
Please put yeah.
Yeah. So the open the Tinkercad.com circuit website, www.tinkercad.com, and register and open this page. Here some basic components over here. Above the here some more components, basic all. So but select the basic components. So this is the basic component. Suppose now we need to glow LED light. So take one LED, click on the LED and shift to the left hand side. Now students see, at present you can see the red color of the LED. We can change this color also. Now click on the this menu, red is given over there. So click on the drop down. It will give the available LED colors. Suppose we are selecting green now. Okay. So please see the color of the LED will change from red to green. Now take one cell. This is 9 volt. Okay. Here is one slightly red. This is the anode, that is the positive terminals, and small. This is the cathode, which is the negative terminals. Okay. So now we have to so the red dot is there. So click on red dot and drag the wire to the red terminal of the cell. So it is connected to the positive terminal of the cell. Now click on here on this one. We can change the color of the wire also. See here it is given green. Take it as a red. It is a red. Okay. So now we can change the direction of the now click on the negative terminal of the LED, that is cathode, and join with positive terminal and negative terminal cell. Okay. So now change the color of the from green to black. So select from the drop down menu, black color. It is here. Okay. So this is our general connection. Okay. Now it is working or not, we have to check it. So please start simulator. It is here. Are you able to see everyone? Okay. Now see, there is a big star over there. So pointed with the big star, the message will appear over there. The current through the LED is 950 milliampere, while absolute maximum is 20 milliampere. अगर सपोज ये सर्किट आपने कनेक्ट की तो ये एलईडी जल जाएगा. ये एलईडी जल नहीं रहा, मतलब वो ब्लास्ट हो जाएगा. बराबर है. यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है कि इसके अंदर से करंट ज्यादा पास हो रहा है, जो सिर्फ मैक्सिमम 20 मिलीएम्पियर होना चाहिए. ओके. तो देखो उसके लिए फिर हम लोग को रिमूव दिस वायर कनेक्शन. ओके. नाउ select resistor from this. Okay. 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 Now connect this resistor to the LED like this. Now change the color of the wire to black. Now connect the other terminal of the resistor and to the battery of the negative terminals. Okay. Now select the resistor again. So you will see over here name 1, resistance 1, and it is the value of the resistor. That is, select on this. This is the unit. That is the giga ohms, mega ohms, kilo ohms, ohms, milliohms, micro ohms, nano ohms, and pico ohms. So we have to select kilo ohms and give some value over here. Suppose 10 kilo ohms. It is 10. The value of this resistor is 10 kilo ohms. Okay. Now click on the start simulation. So look at the LED. It's lit properly. यहाँ पे बरोबर से वो हो रही चालू हो गई है और यहाँ पे कोई भी मैसेज नहीं आया हुआ है. उसका मतलब ये है कि एलईडी में से जितना करंट जाना चाहिए उतना ही करंट जा रहा है. अगर स्टार्टिंग में मैंने दिखाया था विदाउट रजिस्टर, अगर आपने ये कनेक्शन कर डाला तो आपके एलईडी खराब हो जाएगा. बराबर है. पर यहाँ पे आपको दिखाया कि एलईडी नहीं चालू हो रहा है और वो खराब नहीं हो रहा है. तो दिस इज द वर्चुअल एनवायरनमेंट. We can use it anywhere at any time to learn each and every circuits. Okay. Now suppose we have to add here some switches over here. Okay. So remove this wire, select first wire and just press the delete button. So the wire is removed. Now select on the switch. So switch is here. Okay. Now again select and join the first terminal of the switch. Okay. Now middle terminal of the switch. It's now switch is connected. Wait. Okay, the switch is connected. Now again press the start simulation. Okay, LED is not glowing. Why? Because switch is off position. Now it is on. Now put it switch on off. So the bulb is off. LED is off. So now put it on. LED चालू बंद हो सकता है. ठीक है, बरोबर है. Now suppose we want some more LEDs. Okay, so remove all this. First stop simulation. Select the LEDs and press the delete button. Select this red wire and delete. Now, suppose we want 4 LEDs of different color in series combination. सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन आपको पता रहेगा. आपके घर में हम लोग दिवाली में जो लाइट का तोरण यूज करते हैं, इट इज इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. अगर उसके अंदर एक बल्ब भी बंद हो जाता है तो आपका पूरा तोरण बंद हो जाता है. बरोबर है. अभी देखो यहाँ पे मुझे सब रेड कलर के हो गए, पर मेरे को सपोज यहाँ पे डिफरेंट कलर लेना है. तो सिलेक्ट वन एलईडी एंड चेंज द कलर फर्स्ट. सपोज इट इज ग्रीन. देन सिलेक्ट द सेकंड एलईडी. नाउ सिलेक्ट द कलर्स. सपोज इट इज येलो. नाउ सिलेक्ट द थर्ड. Select the color. Suppose it is white. Okay. Now I want to put all these 4 LED in a series connection. So anode of first LED to the cathode of second LED. Student, please remember, anode of first LED to the cathode of the second LED. Cathode of the second LED, anode of the second LED goes to the cathode of the third LED. Now the anode of the third LED to the cathode of the fourth LED. Okay. Now suppose now we are taking battery. Okay. Now first cathode of first LED, connect it to the negative terminal of the battery like this. It's clear, everyone? It is not connected. Now it is. Okay. Now anode of the fourth LED, that is positive terminal of the LED. It is like this. Okay. It's clear, everyone, how to connect 4 LED in a series combination with a 9-volt battery. Now start simulation. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now again see, there is a eyes there with every LED. It means just point at the eye. There is a much more current is flowing through the LED, which can damage the LED if we connect it practically. So what is the maximum capacity of the LED to handle the current? That is 20 milliampere. It is written over there. So we have to add some resistor over here. Okay. So now the stop simulation. Now select one resistor. Now first remove this wire. Delete the button. Now place the resistor at proper place. Now join it. Okay. Suppose now we have to add a switch also. So remove this wire from here. Place the delete button. Now switch. the switch is over. Now, when you reach now select middle terminal. Okay, so our circuit is completed with 4 LED in series. Now, let's see. Just press the start simulation. Look, four LEDs glowing at a time. Now, switch it off. So the all LED will be. Okay. Now again put the switch in the OR for LED over here. Okay. Suppose now we want to find out how many current is flowing through the circuit. First stop simulation. Okay. Now one meter is there. Bottom is multimeter. Multimeter is 90. So this meter is the voltage, current, the resistance of any voltage. Now suppose we want to find out the amount of current. Find out the amount of current, we have to connect this emitter with the circuit in series connection. Okay. So now just remove this. So this is the negative terminal. So we are going to connect the proper way. Okay, so it is connected to the negative terminals. So we have connected it now different terminals. Now connect this to the. Okay. Now let's see this thing going on. So start simulation. Select here emitter. So it is showing minus 1.6. Why it is showing minus 1.6? Because we are connected this in the wrong way. That's why it is showing the minus. So make it proper. First stop the simulation. Remove this wire from here. Reset button. Remove this wire. Okay. Now here. Okay, now let's see what it is. This is 1.6 milliampere current is going through this all 4 LEDs. Now put this as we can off. The current is 0 and all LED at off position. So here what is the very this is the virtual environment. अगर ये सब कोई भी चीज आपके घर पे तो है ही नहीं. सपोज आपके डेडी ने आपको मार्केट से परचेज करके दे दी, तो मान लो कि कोई कनेक्शन उल्टा हो गया तो कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट आपका डैमेज हो जाएगा, आपको उसको रिपेयर करवाना पड़ेगा या तो फिर नया लेना पड़ेगा. बराबर. यहाँ पे कोई टेंशन नहीं है. आप कुछ भी गलत कनेक्शन करो तो वहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाती है कि आपने कनेक्शन गलत किया हुआ है और वैसे नहीं किया हुआ है, और वहाँ पे वो सर्किट नहीं करेगी. तो आप R&D को वहाँ पे फंक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, चेंज करो तो हो जाएगा. अभी सपोज देखो, suppose I am going to value of this resistance. What is the value of this resistance? Is the 1 kilo ohms. Okay. Now take it at ohms and take the value of 100 ohms. Okay. Okay. Now this is 100 ohms. Now start simulation. See, the LED is glowing very brightly and the current is 10.3 milliampere. So if we decrease the resistor's value, the current is increasing and the LED is growing brightly. Okay. There everyone, please try to remember this circuit. It is the www.tinkercad.com. After opening, you have to register yourself and try to making so many different circuits. Okay. Here Arduino project is also given. Go to the all. देखो यहाँ पे स्टार्टर में बेसिक दिया हुआ है, बेसिक सिलेक्ट करो तो यहाँ पे नीचे आपको रेडीमेड सर्किट मिलेगी. ये सर्किट में पूरी निकाल रहा हूँ, सबको अलग अलग सिलेक्ट करके डिलीट. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे आपको रेडीमेड सर्किट दी है. यहाँ पे सपोज ये सर्किट में सिलेक्ट करता हूँ, आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो आप रेडीमेड सर्किट ट्राई कीजिए. ओके, दिस इज द वेरिएबल रजिस्टर. आप लोग जो फैन में हम लोग यूज करते हैं फैन की स्पीड कम ज्यादा करने के लिए, ये सेम वही पैटर्न है. तो स्टार्ट सिमुलेशन लोग करते हैं. ओके, अभी देखो एलईडी देखना आप, इसको देखो ब्राइट है, सबसे ब्राइट है, यहाँ पे सबसे कम हो गई. क्यों? तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू ऑफ रजिस्टर वी कैन चेंज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम हियर. सो दिस इज द वेरिएबल रजिस्टर. ओके, नाउ देयर इज वन मोर over here. It is RGB LED.
So Jayesh sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you. In fact, we don't have much time over here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So may I request you to take few of the
So
questions?
this is last.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. As student, if you have any question, any queries, then you can ask me.
I can see that these students are asking that what is the code required to enter to the website?
So here it will only the website address is required. This is www.tinkercad.com. Here no code is required.
So students, I would request you, if you want to ask any question, please unmute yourself and you can ask directly, please. Because Jayesh sir has given a really great information, how the LED, how the battery, how the series combination can be done. And good part is that this is the biggest, this is the best of the best tinkering. Because here anyways, it is not physical things, something going to blast, you know, even if you make a mistake, you can correct it. So thank you very much for the great information by Jayesh sir. And it is really exciting. I was also so excited to see, because you can make any kind of combination, whatever ideas are coming in your mind, you can check it out. So students, whatever questions are coming to your mind, just don't feel shy. Whatever thing you want to ask, you can ask please now.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when we go in the website, then there are three options. Have a personal account, in school, so educators are, and join your class students.
Select the personal account. Select the personal account, register yourself, and start.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Any other students with any new question, anything is coming to your mind, you can ask please. Okay, so you know, to the website you might have seen that there are various kind of made already, some designs are available which you can choose it and which you can build as what you want to build. So this is something innovative you can make, and again it is depending to your kind of thought process, what exactly model you want to make. And the good part is that during this pandemic time, during this corona time, you can at least do something from your home. You should not put yourself blank in this area. And the good part is that everything is not theoretical, it is practical. You can see, you can visualize, and you can, you know, check the result immediately. It is not that you're reading that when you give the 9 volt through the register and the LED anode and all, then something will glow. It's not theoretical, it is practical. So it is very interesting. You can make some kind of new models, and I would be curious to know about those models. Let me know in the WhatsApp section, and we can interact again and again on the same subject. I want to say thank you to Jayesh sir, and thank you to whole Hiramani school team. And students, anything else is coming to your mind, please let me know quickly. Then I will request to Meenakshi madam to say something. And one more thing I want to tell, that last time everybody was asking that where can I see the videos So these all videos are being recorded and uploaded at the YouTube channel. You can always go and subscribe to the YouTube channel where you will get a special folder called Atal ATL Tinkering Viramani Stream. So you will watch all the old videos, new videos, everything. Now I would request Pinakshi Madam to say something, please.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank Tiwari sir to take the initiative for again this webinar. I hope it is very useful for all the when they are not talking to school and they are not being in Atal Lab. At least this thing can help them to continue their learning this robotics. I hope you all are going to use it. And as Vinod sir told, whatever project you are making, please let us know so we can come to know plan in future something best which will be useful to you. Thank you, Vinod sir. Thank you, Jay sir, for giving such nice information about this app. Nikta ma'am, Ketan sir, Ravi sir, all the students. Thank you very much.
So, Bacha Log, it is a great interaction with all of you. I wish that next time when I come to India, I'll interact with all of you personally. I want to see you. I want to say second to all of you, but here it's all online. So, wish you good luck because the session is going to end now. And happy tinkering and wish you all the best for all your success. Thank you very much again to Pinakshi Madam, to Jay sir, to Ketan bhai, to all the staff for making this happen.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you very much.